Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making carrot rice. For this easy recipe, all we need is cooked rice. Here I have cooked brown rice, you can have any rice you like, and shredded carrots. So I already bought pre-shredded carrots, but if you don't have it, you can just have a whole carrot, peel it and shred it in a food processor. And I'm going to have some olive oil for cooking. You can use any kind of cooking oil. And for my seasonings, I'll keep it simple. Use salt and pepper, and you can add any seasonings you like. So what I do is I'm going to cook the shredded carrots and mix them with cooked rice, and you can use any method of cooking rice. I cooked mine in an instant pot, or you can just cook it in a regular pot. On a stove, you can use a rice cooker, so you just need cooked rice. And if you like the exact quantities, I'd say if you like to measure, you can do one cup of rice that's cooked, so it's gonna yield about 2 cups of rice, and 1 shredded carrot. But I'm just playing it by ear. The quantities don't really matter, so I just have a bunch of shredded carrot and a pot of rice. So I'm going to turn the heat on high in my non-stick pan, and I'm going to add a little olive oil. So oil is just for flavor. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons, totally up to you. And I'm going to add the carrots. And when the pan is heated, the oil will be sizzling, and I'll reduce the heat to medium-high at that point and cook the carrots until they're done. So now the carrots are sizzling. I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-high and mix it. And I'm going to cook them, stirring every minute until they're tender and nicely brown. So the carrot has been cooking for about 7 minutes. And you see it's like basically some are brown, and it's very tender when I tried it, so it's ready. You just cook it to your liking. And now I'm going to add rice. So the rice is fully cooked. And now I mix everything until combined. Perfect. And now you can add your seasonings to taste. So I'll just sprinkle it with a little bit of salt and black pepper. And also totally optional, you can add a little bit of more olive oil for flavor, and if you don't want to, you don't have to, but it's really makes it even more tasty. So I'll just drizzle it a little bit with oil. And now mix until combined again. Perfect. Look how good it looks. And this was super easy. So it's a different twist on rice, and also add some extra nutrition with the carrots, and it's so delicious. You will love it. Now let's turn off the heat and remove the rice from the frying pan. looks so good. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. Tastes delicious. Rice goes so well with carrot. It really enhances the flavor. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!